Welcome back, science students. This is your work for week 4, and it is already October 1st. So this is work for today and also for tomorrow, October 2nd. This information in this video is only for 7th graders. So if you are an 8th grader wondering what to do, you have a Nearpod on Schoology, and the code is on Schoology and all the instructions are. So please check your class page if you're an 8th grader. If you're a 7th grader, you can stay on with me, and I'm going to explain what you need to do for your independent work. So here is your work for today. Don't panic. I'm going to go step by step in this video. All of this information is on Schoology. It's very important that you go step by step. So I'm going to start explaining each step so you know what you're going to do. So you're going to take any sheet of paper at your home, and I really mean any sheet of paper. Could be lined, could be graph paper, could be paper that you reuse, as long as it's clean on one side. And you're going to draw 3 circles on that sheet of paper. 1, 2, 3. And you don't want to make them too big. You don't want to make them too small. I would say maybe the size of like a Post-it note that I have. Okay, so that would fit in here. Just draw a little circle real quick. Like this is a pretty good size, if you can see it. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You don't want to make it too big or you're going to be spending all of your time drawing. You don't want to make it too small or you won't have room to draw, but I need 3 circles on 1 sheet of paper, please, before we begin the rest of our assignment. All right, so after you draw your 3 circles on your paper, you're going to click the link in the Schoology to go to the Interactive Microscope website, and you're going to click on Explore. So it looks like this. It almost looks like you're in a lab, and you want to hit the Explore button. After that, you are going to click on the gray box with the question mark. You're going to click on that, and this screen will pop up. I would like you to click on plant slides. Then another screen will pop up, and I would like you to then click on plant cells. Okay, so as soon as you click on plant cell, you're going to have a new screen that pops up. It'll look something like this. You need to click on the 10x circle to begin. You're not going to be able to see anything very well under 4x, so go ahead and click on 10x. And then you need to use the coarse and fine focus. Those are the little things at the bottom of the page to see underneath the microscope, just like we practiced in class. And once you get a clear picture, I want you to take your first circle and draw what you see on your paper in that first circle. When you're done with that, you're going to change the lens by clicking on the 40x. Again, use the coarse and fine focus to see underneath the microscope. And when you have it nice and crisp and clear, you're going to draw what you see on your paper in your second circle. Okay, so click Remove Slide button, and then click on that gray box again with the question mark. This time you're going to choose the, when you click on the gray box, you're going to have a new pop-up come up. Please click from Animal Slides, and then another screen will pop up, and then please pick, it's called Whitefish Interface from the Animal Slide selection. Again, that slide will pop up underneath the microscope. Click on 10x to begin. Use the coarse and fine focus at the bottom of the, like right underneath the circle, to make that picture clearer so that you can see it. And once you have a nice clear picture, please use your last circle to draw what you see underneath the microscope on your paper. So once you've completed all 3 circles, drawing what you saw underneath the interactive microscope, please take a picture of your work and upload it on Schoology under our assignment. Then answer the questions on the Schoology assignment. So after you go through step 1 through 8 on the Schoology assignment, there'll be questions that are highlighted in yellow, and please answer 1 through 4 on the questions. So in order for me to see your picture, you may have to save your picture on your computer to upload it to Schoology. If that doesn't work, please send me a picture of your drawings on Schoology messaging, but please try to upload it first. So let me tell you how to upload it. So you're going to go on our school assignment, and you're going to hit the submit assignment to start. You're going to have to submit that also, or hit that button to also answer the questions. So hit that. And then you get a new screen that pops up. Make sure you're on create, not not just upload on create. That's going to make it easier. And when you're here, you're going to hit that button that looks like a box with an arrow going through it. This drop box will appear, and then hit image media and upload the picture that you have saved. So try this first. You're going to have to submit the assignment regardless because you have to answer the questions. So it'd just be easier if you could also give me the questions and your picture. But again, in order to do that, you might have to save the picture on your computer. If it's really not working or you're really struggling, let me know and we'll find an alternative way for me to see your drawings. Okay, guys, please don't forget if you have questions, even if it's a question about how to upload a file or how to save a file on your computer, I will be on Teams during our regular class time to answer any questions. And if I don't hear from you, have a good weekend and I will see you next week.